Bring the hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart chakra. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. The violet cape, the violet cloak, something I have given to you many times, is important. Important to wear. Feel it gently flowing around you now, draped over your shoulders, over the front of your chest, over the right and left side of the compassion centers, sealing up around the heart and the throat, collar raising up behind the back of your head, folds of the cloak falling down to your feet, surrounded in the divinity of purple, surrounded in the divine nature of the cloak. Did you not understand that this depicts royalty, that you're wearing and accepting of the cloak accepts your divine nature? We are asking you to accept it more consciously and to bring it into the places that have been scared, afraid, or ashamed, to let that divine nature flow into that self. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. I have given a formula to this being to create with flower essences, with essential oils, and with star elixirs. And that formula is the formula contained in the Saint Germain spray. Use that vibration. Those of you who have it, use the vibration. That same vibration is held within the amethyst ray. You can call the amethyst ray to you, pull it into your hearts. You can use that vibration and recognize there are many essential oils in that combination, one of them being frankincense, which anoints the divinity, just as the violet cloak pronounces you as royalty, divine, in accepting your divine nature. So does the frankincense. You see, there are those things in the physical form, tools that can be used by you. There are gems and crystals, there are elixirs and sprays. There are those who devote their life to bringing these energies through to help you heal. There are those acupuncturists, massage therapists, craniosacral therapists. There are those who sing in the choir and use their voices to bless and heal. There are those who lay their hands on others and simply exchange energy. There are those who paint. There are those who dance. There are those who sing. All of you bring the divine energy through the daily things that you do in the 3D. Accept this. There are those of you whose generous nature spreads love and light in the earth, who support others who work in the forms of healing. Each one of you on this call is part of the garden, and each one of you is part of bringing the frequency up and changing the story. The story of Adam and Eve changes now. The divine nature is accepted. See it changing. Go back to that old story and change it. See the divine masculine and the divine feminine coming together in wholeness. See unity consciousness where there was separation. See the illusion of separation, of color, of creed, of political denomination, of gender, religion. See it all falling away. See the unity. Once you see the unity within yourself and you work on the unity, you will see it in the community. You are communing this evening. You are from different walks of life and different places. You have had different experiences. You have been brought up in different ideologies and religions. You are different genders. You are different races. You are from different star systems even, holding that vibration as well. And indeed, some of you, before wisdom came to those parts of your star systems and planets, fought. Now you are coming into wholeness, and you are bringing that wholeness into yourselves. You are creating whole gardens with earth and roots and dirt and decay and blossoming and blooming and harvest and light. You are creating it into wholeness, and you are understanding how to bring that wholeness forth. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I wish you to see the violet flame within your belly. Breathe it in. I wish you to see the violet flame within your solar plexus. And now I wish you to breathe it into your heart. As the heart lifts the belly and the solar plexus, open your root chakra, straighten your spine, open your body, make sure nothing is crossed, palms are open to the sides, and do the breath of fire rapidly and deeply 50 times, opening the root chakra. Breathing into your body, now tone down deeply as you can and send a deep, deep root into the new healed whole Mother Earth through your root chakra. Then breathe the violet flame up from the belly, the solar plexus, and the heart, all the way through the throat, the third eye, and the top of your head with 5 tones. First, the deep tones to bring your root down into the earth. Tone 5 times. Om, 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 Om. And breathing in, now send the energy upward from the violet flame that you have placed in your belly, your solar plexus, your heart. Tone 5 times and send it through the throat, third eye, crown, up to the heavens, balanced and whole. Om, Om, Om. And so, my brothers and sisters, smile in all your chakras. I am Saint Germaine. No need to be somber when you accept your divinity. It is a joyous acceptance. That rhapsody sound that Kuan Yin spoke of, that rhapsody does exist and is moving through the ethers. There is a vibration of lightness and joy. You must give yourself time to experience it. Come to me in meditation, Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine of the violet flame. Call on me anytime during the day. I can be with you in the broom closet. I can be with you when you're mopping the floor. I can be with you when you're meditating from the highest possible place. I can be with you in your yoga positions. I can be with you in the kitchen. I can be with you while you're cooking and stirring the pots. I can be with you while you're washing the dishes. I can be with you while you're driving to the city. I am Saint Germaine. I can be with you when you are walking to work. I can be with you when you're sitting at your desk. I can be with you when you're sleeping. Call on me, Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine of the violet flame. Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine of the violet flame. And drawing the energies into the body deeply, deeply. You are balanced. Go lay on the earth, walk under the moon, bathe in the light of it. The full moon will peak tomorrow around 3:05 Eastern Time, around noon Pacific Time, whatever time zone you're in. Take that moment out to call on me in the violet flame and draw that energy that you drew together tonight through your being and send it back out through your heart into the earth. The energy of the compassionate one of Kuan Yin, understanding divinity and understanding that your despair sometimes, or your crankiness sometimes, or your tiredness or discouragement is experiencing the shadow in the lower chakras as they begin to raise up to match the upper chakras. And then smile and think of me, Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine, Saint Germaine of the violet flame, laughing and being whole. I am Saint Germaine of the violet flame.